Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the slow downloading speed on your Chrome browser. The steps are really easy, so make sure to watch till the end of the video. The first step that we need to do is that we need to open our Chrome browser and click on this tab here and go to settings. After going to settings, we're gonna have to go to privacy and security right here and click on security. So for this one, we're gonna change some options. So under the advanced tab, under use secure DNS, as you can see, it's currently the first option that is being chosen. So you just need to click on the second circle right here and just change it. You can choose either Google or Cloudflare. That's gonna help you increase your download speed. So for me, I'm just gonna use Cloudflare right now, and after selecting Cloudflare, we're gonna have to go to another option here, which is under System, and from here, you're just gonna have to disable the first option, which is continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Just make sure that that is disabled, so that there's no, corruption in the downloads or making the download speed slower. Next is you need to open a new tab and search Chrome / flags. So just like the flag, like the country flag. So just search flags, and from here you're gonna have to go to the search box and search a specific word and just follow this one, parallel downloading. So for this, just gonna have to change that and enable it. All right, so after that, just click on relaunch and your download speed for Google Chrome should be faster now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you all in the next video.